Tennessee. Those of you who don't know me, I'm Phyllis, and I'm here in Tennessee. Tennessee is where I live, out in the country. Today, I've got my crock pot out, and you know, it's coming up on game day Sunday, so we got to get our game day things together. Now, I've already done a game day video of rotel, and I've also done little smokies. But today, what I'm going to be doing in my crock pot, I'm going to be making artichoke and spinach dip. If you've ever had that, maybe out at a restaurant that you went to and you ordered it for an appetizer, it was always so delicious. So today, you can make it in the oven, but today I'm going to be making it in my crock pot. And you can eat it with vegetables, cucumbers, carrots, chips, pita chips, nacho chips. You can eat it with any kind of chip, cracker, or vegetable. So it's very versatile. And this crock pot recipe is so very easy that I hope you enjoy watching me make it today. So I want to show you what I bought at Walmart. You can buy, you know, artichokes and cook them, but I took that step out and I just bought this can of artichoke hearts. It's a 14-ounce can, and that's what we'll be using today. There is a recipe on the back of the can that's not exactly the recipe I'm going to be using today, but I'll link mine in the description box below. Okay, I've oiled and greased my crock pot with olive oil. Don't you love these pop-top cans? Now I'm going to take these artichokes, and when you get them out of this can, they are in a little bit of water, and they're very large. So what we're going to do is just chop them up a little bit. You don't want to serve that in a dip with these great big pieces. So let's chop it up. I'm going to put it on my little cutting board here, which is a paper plate. And I'm going to pour these out and just chop them up a little with the knife. I've got my knife in my cream cheese, but all right, just take them out, put them out here. Just going to chop them up. I just love the way they smell. Just kind of give them a good little chop all the way around. You can, like I said, you can cook yours if you want to cook them. I saw some in the Walmart produce section, but I decided, no, I think I'll just buy them already done, already fixed up. So that's what I'm doing. You don't have to chop them fine. You could put them in your food processor and give them a pulse or two. Chop them that way. I'm not gonna, I like kind of hearty stuff, hearty chop, so I'm just doing a little hearty chop with it. Just so nobody gets a great big piece that they can't put in their mouth. You'll notice when you open the can, there is a little juice. Just keep the juice. Gives it a lot of flavor. Okay, I think that's about got it. Okay, so pour this into your crock pot. The next thing I have already done is I have chopped up 3 or 4, 5 cloves of garlic. That goes in next. Fresh garlic. And you will want to, I did soften this 8-ounce block of cream cheese that's been softened. So next we'll be putting that in our crock pot. Just dump it in. Be careful though that you don't get any of that foil in there off of your wrapper. Just dump it in. You can cook this on high for an hour or low for 3. I'm going for low for 3, but you do what you want to do. The next thing we'll add is 1.5 cups cream cheese. Not cream cheese. We've had our cream cheeses in. Sour cream, 1.5 cups. And I'm going to tell you, anything that's got sour cream in it is delicious to me. And I know some of you don't eat dairy, but man, is it good. A cup and a half. Well, this might be a cup and a half. No, this is 2 cups. All right, there's 1 cup. And just let me get the other half of the cup. Okay, now, got that in. The next thing we're going to add is 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. Just 1/4 a cup, and I use the Kroger brand mayonnaise. A lot of people just have to have Hellmann's, but you know, I'm okay with the Kroger brand. A fourth of a cup. Fourth of a cup of mayonnaise. Okay. Going in. All right. Now we're going to be adding 1 cup of grated parmesan. Just to throw it in. About, I would say, a tablespoon. Pepper. Tablespoon. Salt. Next, 10 ounces of spinach, because this is spinach artichoke dip. So you know this is a lot, but it's 11 ounces. I'm going to put the whole thing in. It's 11 ounces. It calls for 10, but I'm going to put the whole thing in. This is going to cook down to nothing. Kind of does the same thing as turnip greens. It cooks down to nothing. And of course, I have to have a bite. I love spinach. I love to make a smoothie out of these. This is pre-washed, ready to eat spinach. It looks like a lot, but it's really not. It won't overwhelm the dish. All right. Now that we've got that in, when this cooks down a little bit, and it will, trust me, I'll be adding, this is an 8-ounce bag of mozzarella cheese. What I'll do, I'm going to add a cup of this sprinkled on top, and I'll bring you that. I'll bring you back and I'll show you this sprinkled on top of our dip, and I'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll come back after this is melted. But this is a very easy, get everything you need at your grocery, bring it home, put it in your crock pot, put your crock pot on high for an hour, or you can put it on low for 3. I'm going on low for 3. And I think everybody will be so excited to see that you've made this wonderful dip. And once they taste it, they're going to want it every time. You can add a different type of cheese if you want to. And it did call, my recipe did call for red pepper flakes. But Alan and I just can't do the red pepper flakes. Now, you can add that if you love stuff hot, or you can lay that or set that in a little bowl on your table for people to add it to their dip if they'd like it. So bring you back in just a little bit. Okay, crock pot is plugged up on low for 3 hours, or you can do high for 1 hour. It's full. I always make my pots full, don't I? I'll bring you back. See you in a few minutes. Really, I'll see you in about 3 hours when this is done. I can't wait. Oh, it looks so good. Well, guys, our spinach and artichoke dip just finished cooking. I'm going to bring you over here and let you see what it looks like. So let me bring you over and let you look in the crock pot. I did put 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of this cheese on the top about 15 minutes ago. We'll let the steam get off. And here's what we've got. Isn't it looking delicious? Now, you know all the spinach, the 11 ounces of spinach we put in there, you can see what it's done. It's all underneath here. I'm going to get a little bowl over here, and I'm going to get me some out. Ooh, it looks so delicious. Look at that. Doesn't that look so good? I cannot even wait to get my chips into that delicious bowl. I'm going to get some more of that mozzarella cheese. Doesn't that look amazing? Wow. It looks so good. And the smell. What a great thing for game day. Man, that's going to be so good. Let me go over here and get some chips. And here's my little bowl of mozzarella. All on the top. All of our good ingredients inside. You see what it looks like in the crock pot. Just wonderful for game day. Now I've got it on keep warm on my crock pot for serving. Okay, here's my bowl. I put some chips in. Let me come around there. I've got this on keep warm. And we'll try this and see how it tastes. I love spinach. I love artichokes. I love all these cheeses I put in. It's so hot. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh, guys. It's actually better than any I've had at the restaurants. Make this dip. Oh my goodness. I can't get over it. Man. Oh my goodness. I can't believe how the spinach cooked down so good. All the flavors just blended together. It's absolutely amazing. One of the best game day dips I've ever made. I just think it's delicious. It's delicious with the chips. I do believe it would be super delicious with a cucumber or some vegetables dipped in it too, or some really good crackers. I mean, I just can't tell you how good it is. Wow. And in the crock pot, so easy. Well, I did everything else I wanted to do. It's amazing. Guys, make this. Thank y'all for following today. Please like, please subscribe. It means so much to me when you subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.